get a bit of wire, pull it down if you've got to get it to a dimension where it can be wedged in there and just hold itself. That means it's really tight. You don't want it so thin it's flapping about, it's no good. You want to really fill that hole. So what I used to do is file the end flat and then just take the corners off a little bit. I'm just rotating it between my finger and thumb. Just take that sharp corner off a little bit, not loads. And then try and get it to wedge in there. Gonna hold it with these pliers right near the end so it's not bending about. See if I can get this to wedge in there and stay there. There you go. Good. That's only in there like a mil or whatever, but it's holding all that length in, so it's really tight. Perfect. That means it's gonna solder up really well. If you don't want to solder with all that length of wire on, you can snip it off right at the bottom. But bear in mind, you are giving it a shock and you might knock it out of position, so be careful if you do that. So anyway, cool. That is really properly plugged up now, so now I've just got to solder it up.